So another accessory you should get is really this coin tray accessory tray here that gives you some additional storage. So you could see this kind of matches the interior color pretty well, and it has some adequate storage, you know, for coins or even for miscellaneous things that you might just want to store in your car. And it replaces this, which is just a panel that accesses the fuse box and has nothing else. So what you do is you simply pull this out, and let me set it aside here, and you can see how much storage it actually replaces. And it's an easy replace because it's just these simple clips at the bottom, and you're just pushing it in and there you go, you know, right there. Once again, you're pushing it in, snapping it in place, and you know, it stays in place pretty well like that. And it also has a picture here for the fuses. So this does come with some stickers, which allows you to have the same indicators. So you just match it up with this SJ here. So you're gonna put this same sticker here so you know where the fuses go in the position here. So this is nice and handy and neat, and so this is just a great accessory. I will have the link in the description area of this video at the bottom. Once again, putting it in like that.